Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug the charger, and wait at least 5 minutes so capacitors cool. Inspect the cable, adapter brick, and MagSafe or USB-C tip closely. Look for frays, melting, or loose pins. Once done, set up your workspace with a multimeter, replacement tip or DC jack, wire strippers, soldering iron, and small screwdrivers. Make sure you have light and magnification. You'll need to probe voltage and continuity. Next, to isolate where the failure actually is. You measure output voltage at the connector first. Note no load versus light load readings to reveal intermittent faults. If the brick can be opened safely, remove screws and inspect the PCB. Look for bulging capacitors, scorch marks, or cracked solder joints. For a suspected cable break, cut at the strain relief in separate halves, then test each conductor for continuity and shorts. Once you locate the bad component, prepare the replacement. Pre-tin wires, match colors, and plan solder joints to restore shielding and strain relief. You solder the replacement tip or splice the cable, ensuring correct polarity and that the shield is reconnected. Use heat shrink and flexible relief to prevent future breaks. Once done, reassemble the adapter or connector housing carefully, tighten strain relief, and avoid pinching wires. Then test the repaired charger under load for 30 to 60 minutes while monitoring voltage stability and temperature. If voltage drops or device won't charge, recheck solder joints and continuity. Those are the most common failure points to rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.